Okay, we're taking a break from prepping that blackout brass, but I just read this article. It got sent to me by one of the warehouses that we buy from. CZ acquires Colt Holding Company, Prague, February 11th, 2021. CZG, which stands for blah, 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 which pretty much breaks down to conversion from their language to redneck is CZ Group. Okay. Has signed a definitive agreement to acquire 100% of the outstanding equity interest in Colt Holding Company LLC. Colt, the parent company of the U.S. firearms manufacturer Colt Manufacturing Company LLC, as well as the Canadian subsidiary Colt Canada Corp, which I didn't know anything about. Anyway, so they are acquiring 100% stake in Colt for an upfront cash consideration of $220 million and the issuance of 1,098,000 something shares of newly issued CZ Group common stock. Now, here's the big catch to that. Colt's been having money problems for years and years, but right down here in another way of saying it is what the whole thing is behind it. This merger is a strategic step for both companies. The acquisition of Colt, the iconic brand and benchmark for the military, law enforcement, and commercial grades markets globally, fits perfectly with our strategy to become a leader in the firearms manufacturing industry and key partner for the armed forces. There's what it is. Okay. So next time we have a military contract for sidearms, long arms, whatever else, now CZ can do it because Colt, right? So that puts them in the running for military contracts. So anyway, thought that was interesting. It says blah, 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 strategic move. CZG will acquire significant production capacity in both the United States and Canada. That helps. And substantially expand the global customer base. Colt is a traditional supplier of global military and law enforcement customers, among others. Colt is a long-term supplier to the U.S. Army, a relationship that dates back over 175 years. And through its Canadian subsidiary, Colt is a designated exclusive supplier of all small arms for the Canadian military. There you go. So, coming soon to a military near you. All right, there you go.